Is your breast sagging and you want to make it firmer, or you have a small breast and you wish to improve it and make it bigger? Then this video is for you. This video contains 4 major supplements that will help you with that. You don't need to go for surgery whatsoever. It will help you gradually grow your breast, make it firmer. So one of those supplements is what we call curviness, right? This helps your breast to be firm. It lifts the breast. It improves the shape and appearance of your breast, making it look more curvier, more firmer in appearance. The second supplement that works is what we call the maxi bust. This is for those that have small breasts that want to improve it, that want to enlarge it a little. This is for those that have small breasts. This increases the size of your breast naturally without any side effect. It increases your breast without any side effect. It also increases the firmness of the breast. It restores back sagging breast after pregnancy. Maybe you gave birth and you are having breast sag. This supplement is for you. Okay, then the third supplement on our list is magic breast enhancement. Magic breast enhancement. This also helps your breast to get firmer. It also helps to lift the breast and make it firmer. It also increases it in size in small amount. Okay, the last on our list is Bust Max. This also helps in lifting, firming and toning of your breast. It doesn't just lift, it also makes it smooth. It also makes it smooth and makes it appear nice and curvy. Alright, so these are the 4 supplements on our list. There are others, but these are the ones we have used, tested and trusted. There are others too we have also used. So if this video helps you, click the subscribe, like, follow, share this video with other people. We love you.